Happy birthday, Mr. President. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, okay, first up, let's prime our face. I'm using a green primer to cancel out any redness I have on my forehead. Adding some foundation, just use whatever foundation you got, you love, whatever. Concealing those dark circles. Using some matte powder and just powdering up my T-zone. Marilyn Monroe is known for her lips, so I'm adding some extra contour to my lips or under my lips, and then I'm just contouring my nose to make it look a little bit more like her shape. As for bronzer, she, when you look at her photos, really just bronzes her cheeks and her jawline. Same with her blush. As you can see, I'm doing this C shape. She really focuses her blush and her bronzer on her cheekbone. So that's what I'm doing, adding a minimal amount of highlighter, really just because I want to. I'm really focusing on the lids. I'm just tapping down some matte white because her lids are always just white, and then we're really putting the emphasis on our crease, building out kind of a cut crease with a neutral tan. I'm just packing it on there and really putting the emphasis there. Okay, for the eyes, I did a cat eye on the top, obviously, and then on the bottom, I'm doing a second cat eye, but I'm just flicking it downwards, and then I went in with a little white in between the two cat eyes to put the focus, and then I waterlined also with a white, because that is the quintessential Marilyn Monroe eye look. I really spent a lot of time looking at her eyes and trying to figure it out. These lashes are the Samantha's by Huda Beauty, and honestly, they're way more voluptuous than what she would wear, but that's why I wanted to go with. And then I did the classic red Marilyn lip. This is the finished look. I feel like it turned out